Lost in emotions, mama's youngest. Trying to navigate life without my compass. Some experience death and feel numbness. But not me, I felt it all and couldn't function. Seeing you that day, telling you my plans, but I was leaving you that day. It was in God's hands. There was an Elon's waiting to get with me. On my way to Texas, that's when Virginia hit me. And I realized in that instant, our last conversation, you was against it. Told you I was going to church for Thanksgiving. I heard what I wanted to hear, but didn't listen. You said you told Gene and Buck needed forgiveness. I see you with the DDs and stuff both the fridges. You even told Dad you wished y'all never split it. See, you were checking boxes, I was checking my mentions. Saying you was tired but not ready to go. Basically was dying without letting you know. I love you, M9. Hate that he won't remember you. Two things that break my heart is when November's due. And T follows you. Now mind you, DD calls you. G finds you. Was that your vision? Precision. While I'm reminiscing, it all hits different hands up, hands up. The birds don't sing. Side to side, put it up. Side to side, put it up. Side to side, side to side. Side to side, put it up. Side to side, put it up. Come on. The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screech. Side to side, put them up. Side to side, put them up. Side to side, put them up. Side to side, come on. The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing, they screech and bang. Your car was in the driveway, I knew you were home. By the third knock, the chill ran through my bones. The way you miss mama, I guess I should've known. Chivalry ain't dead, you ain't let her go alone. Found you in the kitchen, scriptures in the den. Half-written text that you never got to send. Combing through your dresser drawer, where do I begin? Posting noted Bible posts, were you preparing then? I can hear your voice now, I can feel your presence. Asking should I rap again, you gave me your blessing. The way you spelled it out, there's an L in every lesson. Boy, you owe it to the world, let your best become your message. Shared you with my friends, the pops they never had. You lived for our fishing trips, damn I had a dad. Mine taught discipline, mine taught structure. Mine didn't mind when he had to pull a double. Mine worked overtime, smiled through the struggle. Cause mine wouldn't let us feel what he had to suffer. See, mine made sure he had every base covered. So imagine his pain, finding bass in the cupboard. Birds don't sing if the words don't sting. Your last few words in my ear still ring. You told me that you loved me, it was all in your tone. I love my two sons, was the cone to your tone.
Hands up, hands up. Birds don't sing. Side to side, side to side, side to side. Put them up, 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 come on. The birds don't sing. Come on. The birds don't sing. They scream. Side to side, side to side. Put them up, side to side. Put them up, side to side. Come on. The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screech and bang. The birds they screech and bang. The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screech and bang.
Remember those who lost their mother. Make sure that every single moment that you have with it, you show them love. You show them love. Yes.
Remember what it is when I'm on it, singing. But one same thing. Let's go.
So far ahead, niggas behind. You can't see it from where you sit. But this is where we live, with the matching stage and this. So far ahead,
So far.
niggas behind. Swerving through the lane, serving niggas cane, still ain't never hit a pothole. If I was Brittany Griner, I'ma need Obama, only one that's swapping chapo. Furthest from the streets, Monica Denise, good bitches bumping Roccos. Put them in the cars, hanging out with stars, now it's hard to tell they not hoes. The co-defendant claimed immunity, it was you and me, how'd you not know? Unless he leaving court in a Billy Sport, just to meet you at the shot though. Understand the article, all my niggas drunk, so we all Picasso's. Bitches being me, respect the P&B, I probably never eat at Roscoe's. Million ways to live, million ways to die, million stuff in it all too. Million ways to wash it, million ways to stop it, pray for me cause we not dough. Best believe I can whip a Christmas Eve with some work and a hot stove. But it took it all, praying 84, no more questions about the Gestapo.
Sing it.
You know what it is, but I'm on it.
What?
But once they figure it out, I don't want it.
Yeah.
So far ahead, niggas behind. Niggas tried to sneeze at the blessing. How could I just leave was the question. Whistleblowers left me no choice. Ain't no referees up in heaven. No mistaking me for the reverend. Usher in the money, my confession. How you pass the whip of Rolls Royce? That was me pre 9/11. Look at me post Armageddon. Walking with my dog, I am legend. The grass is greener on each side. I done been both Mason Bethels. I done been at both intersections. I done pulled Ocean's 11s. Even when the well ran dry. I done raised croaks in the desert. Tried to hide the dope in the message. Like we did the coke in the Lexus. Same hands I used to whip work. See me turn them both into blessings. AMG the spokes for the extras. And cope with the pressure. When you feel you're in too deep, let God take the wheel like a Tesla.
I need everybody to get a cell phone right now. Front to back right now. Front to back. Side to side. Get them cell phone lights up. Light it up. Cell phone lights up. Put them up. Come on.
You can't see it from where you sit.
Shit.
But this one already happened with the matching stage and this. So far ahead, niggas behind.
This is culturally inappropriate.
I need y'all to make some noise for Clipse right now.
This is culturally inappropriate.
Hey,